Hello everyone, this is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. So today I'm back with another interesting video. This video is going to be very much different from the rest of the videos because you can access these courses without internet. So if you like this, watch this video till the end to know how to access the courses. Now about the platform is, the name of the platform is Swayam Prabha, which is an initiative by the government of India that aims to provide free courses to the students in various departments like engineering, humanities, life sciences, etc. So, so they cover all kinds of students here. That is students from school, college students, UG students, and PG students, etc. Uh, the most important thing is there is no need of internet to access all these courses. So most of the students come from village background in India, right? India lives in its villages. It is well said, right? So what happens here is students are unable to access internet and it costs too much of time, money for accessing internet these days. So if you wanted to have online as courses, but you cannot afford internet or you do not have proper signals for internet, etc., this video is exclusively for you. So you can utilize this platform to learn courses. Now coming to the various channels available, here 32 channels are available. If you see here, language, humanities, history, culture, social behavior, education, etc. Humanities, economics, finance, there were about 32 law, legal, students, economics, commerce, etc. There are engineering channels as well. So coming to the NPTEL chemistry, etc. You can see the civil engineering related subjects, humanities, computer science, electronics and electrical, both engineerings, electrical, triple E and ECE. There is also courses related to mechanical engineering. So you can see mechanical engineering and physics, biology, chemistry, etc. Now coming to the who is providing these courses. These courses are being provided by the IITs like IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Hyderabad, etc. And even courses are from IGNOU. So you can get these courses as well here. Secondary school education courses are also available. The name of the channels are very different. There are about 32 channels that are providing these courses for free. You need not pay for these courses. Now, let us see about what is this initiative and all. By the way, I make these videos on free courses, certification, placement training, scholarships, etc. If you are looking into any of this data, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon. You can see I have provided the courses, different kind of courses available for students and all are absolutely for free. So you can make use of these videos, and if you have not watched them yet, please do watch these videos. You can see this IBM free certifications, etc. Now coming to this, so coming to how to launch this and use, let us see how you can use this. If you see here, these courses are being offered by the help of DTH channels, and if you see, so all channels are two channels, Kamal Short Film, current program. So they will be launching this on basis of uh, sale. Every day they will be launching around some courses. So if you wanted to access the courses, if you have missed the time, you can repeat the times. There are repeating times available so that you can repeat it again. Now let us see how to use this. It is being launched by Sri Narendra Modi and Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. So if you see, there are different programs available and the partners and contributors, you can see IITs, etc. Now let us see about the FAQs and how to start accessing and all. Okay, in this you will see now channels under. So what you need is a television is required. Even for television, you need to have a set-top box. If you use Airtel or Tata Sky like that, you are not eligible for this. those who use set-top box can access this. If you do not have a set-top box, you can purchase it and use this online channels. Now, sorry, this is live channels. Now, the Swayamprabha is a group of 32 DTH channels devoted to telecasting of high educational programs on 24 by 7 basis. So, if you miss on any day or any time, you can use it again because this will be repeated 5 more times. You can see under the program of whatever the channel you take, under the program section, you can see the details. Now, what is the purpose and absolutely? Let us see how to install this on your televisions. Okay, how to install and configure DD Free Dish. There are two steps to be installed. The first is you need to install DD Free Dish as per the direction given at this, and the step two is you need to set the parameters as follows for that. So if you are finding anything difficult in this, you can ask your DD dish provider to set up this and give him back. So if you ask him to set up, he will set up the parameters and he will install the package. So that's thereafter you can access the channels as generally you access like Star Plus or Star Programming or HBO, etc. You can access these channels. So that is about these channels. See, so what the thing required is a television and a set-top box are important. If you are using Tata Sky or Airtel or Videocon, you cannot get it. And coming to the different kinds of courses, I have already shown there are different kinds of courses available, like engineering, physics. See, now let me show you as a demo. So what are the content available like that? Now let us take computer science being offered by Kharagpur. Now let us see the program brochure and what are the courses available. Now let us see the program schedule. So this is the schedule and you can see this is on Tuesday. This will be available on Tuesday. When you see this repeat time, you can see the under these timings you can repeat the same content. That means this lecture 17 will be repeated in these timings. So if you are missing any of the time, you can just access it again. So that is about these channels and how to access. So the different kinds of tutorials available here: combinatorics and logic circuits, Python exercise, K-means clustering, PCA, driven system, combinatoric probability basics, etc. There are different kinds of tutorials available for students based on different engineering, 10th, SSC, HSC, life sciences, law, etc. So this is a very good platform where who cannot use internet can use this platform. If you wanted to learn really things, you can use this. Coming to the certification, you will not get certificate for online like watching these live channels because there is no assessment given to you. So for this reason, you will not get any certificate. So if you have any other questions, you can call them or contact them here. They have also provided their number. So this is the number available from Monday to Friday. If you find any difficulties in installing the package or moving on to your television, etc., you can call this number or you can also log on to this website and you can also mail them. So that is about this government initiative, which is like a basic television channel which helps you educate through their programs. So thank you for watching this video. I'll be back with another video very soon.